You didn't charge? What?
Time and clear.
I wanted to get close. I ain't gonna hit you, don't worry. Ready? No, we're gonna go together. 3, 2, 1, roll on slow.
Gear up. Flaps up. Gear down. Gear up.
Yeah, sure.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Go. I'm turning around late, but
8 degrees Fahrenheit.
I didn't touch on this because I want to join up with you.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Right at the sun. I want to be with you on this next one. Okay.
Landing flaps. Gear down. Landing flaps.
There we go.
Flight pack loaded.
Whoa. You hit it too. There's a downdraft.
Flaps up. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
There's a major downdraft.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Yeah, I know. It makes it harder to see. See, you hit it again.
Flaps up. Gear up.
It smacks you down, yeah. Just be ready for it.
Landing flaps. Gear down. Takeoff flaps. Gear up. Flaps up.
I just stayed down.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Whoa! There's some weird weather over there. You see that? Now I sped up. What the hell?
Time remaining 1.
That was cool.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Yeah, fast, slow up. Okay. I gotta turn this on. Okay.
Landing flaps. Landing flaps.
I already passed you up.
Flaps up. 30 seconds.
I said low and slow. I gotta be with you. You have more flaps than I do. That's how I keep passing you up.
Landing flaps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Flaps up. 1. Time expired.
Okay.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
whatever. Tell me.
Landing flaps, gear down.
You hit it and I hit it.
Gear up, flaps up.
Hey, we were actually in formation that time.
9 degrees.
And on the ground.
1 minute over. Landing flaps, gear down.
Whoa, yeah.
Flaps up, gear up.
That was cool. Nope, none of us.
No flinch.
Just like,
No flinch.
hold your line.
No flinch.
You'll be fine.
Landing flaps, gear down.
Whap, whap, whap. Flick, 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 flick.
Oh, man.
Whoa, 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 what happened there?
Takeoff flaps, flaps up, gear up. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight back 21.9 volts. Gear down. Landing flaps, gear down. Temperature 99 degrees Fahrenheit.
I sped up past
2
you.
minutes over.
Whoa!
Flaps up, gear up.
Alright, I'm coming in for good this time. I don't. What's your telemetry say? Whoa, shit.
21.9.
Okay.
Gear down, landing flaps.
I don't have telemetry, so just to be safe, I'm coming in. Whoa! Almost gave me the smackdown. Yeah, all stock.
Flaps up.
Nope. As it came. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Good stuff. Nice. Dude, I think we gotta fly that again. Do you have any more packs for this? Oh yeah, we got to for sure. You want to do that now? Now that was fun. That was fun. And then I was just like on the ground. I'm like, okay, I can't move because I see him there. Don't want to move. Oh, okay, now I can go.